Howdy, I'm Major Frank Zastoupil, call sign Chomps, and I'm Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman for the 2020 season. I first learned about the Blue Angels when I was a young boy and growing up in Dallas, Texas, about 1990. So when I think I went to my first air show in Fort Worth, Texas. And my parents took me and I saw the Blue Angels perform at an air show, and I kind of fell in love with the organization and what they represented as a young kid. I just thought they were rock stars up in the air. I thought they were superheroes that wore blue suits and jumped in these giant planes and raged around in the sky, did incredible stuff, and then came to a crowd line with smiles and hugs and just incredible individuals that were idols of what it took to be a great American. Now being here, I realize we're just everyday people. It's just another guy, another girl walking through the street that wears a blue suit and that just will not quit to be the best people that they can be at all times.